Hello to all subscribers, crypto enthusiasts and investors. My name is Harry Flores and I'm happy to see you all on my channel, where I talk about how to make money from cryptocurrency. Be sure to watch this video to the end, as in the next 5 minutes I will tell you how each of you can participate in the new airdrop and be guaranteed $500 each. Airdrop has just started, so there is still an opportunity to take part and make money. But I will tell you right away that this freebie will not last long, as the total amount is limited.
And now, let's move on to the airdrop itself. It is conducted by the developers of Apecoin project. Airdrop is a part of marketing strategy to promote Ape token among population in order to increase the number of holders and interest in the project. Airdrop is held on the famous TrustPad platform. It is a multi-chain, one of the top 5 of the largest launchpads. So, let's take part in Airdrop while there's an opportunity and guaranteed ways to earn Ape tokens. Organizers of the drawing have considered that there will be a lot of people, so they limited the maximum amount of tokens you can get. The limit is $500 in Ape tokens. Also, we see that airdrop amount is limited. 42,000 tokens allocated and already 12% distributed, which means we need to hurry. The rules of participation in airdrop are very simple. We need to have a wallet on MetaMask or Trust Wallet to get the precious $500. I have a MetaMask add-on, for example. Click Join Airdrop and connect your wallet to the platform. After connecting your wallet to the platform, immediately you will see a pop-up about a small fee for the transaction that you need to pay. After that, the only thing left is to wait for the Ape tokens to come to our wallet. So friends, I did it! It took about 5 minutes and Ape tokens appeared on my wallet. I got 138 tokens, which is roughly equivalent to $500. I earned $500 basically in a matter of minutes. This is unbelievable! I can say with certainty that the developers have achieved their goal, as I'm already thinking about holding this token because I believe that this project has a great future. Besides that, I've already taken interest in following the project.
I think that now we can wrap up. If you are interested in participating in airdrop, then I have shown you how easy it is. I hope you watch this video before airdrop is over. Hurry over to the airdrop website by following the link in the description and the attached comment. Join and get a very nice bonus. So that's all for now. Thanks for staying in my channel. I will try to find as many ways to make money on cryptocurrency as I can. And I will definitely share all with you.